Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we've got some great news today because we have a new update for iOS. So you can see here, this is in TestFlight at the moment. This is going to add support for iOS 13. Now, this does not yet add support for DigiAssets. It is coming real soon though. What this does do is a whole lot of under the hood kind of work. So this really lays the groundwork for the next update to support DigiAssets. Now, it does add support for both CoinRequest.io sharing. It also adds support for iOS 13, so if you've already gone ahead and updated, this will now ensure that you are optimized for the new iOS version. We've also gone and ripped out a whole bunch of things kind of under the hood and streamlined a few things and removed some things that were no longer required and just really given it a really good, I suppose, clean out and a bit of an overhaul there. So this will lay the foundation for DigiAssets going forward. Now, this release has been put into TestFlight. It's going to be there for the next probably 5 to 7 days while we make sure that everything's cool. There's nothing that's kind of cropped up that we're not aware of. So what I would encourage you to do is if you're here and you're visiting the changelog, what you can do is click on the TestFlight link here and join it if you have not already. I would encourage you to do so if you want to be one of the early adopters of DigiAssets on iOS, because it will also be going into TestFlight, and we'll be doing a kind of like a rolling release for a little while inside of TestFlight as we bring out updates and things before releasing the update to the masses in the Play Store. So I've gone and grabbed myself a new iPod here so that I can go and do a bunch of tests and participate in the TestFlight feedback. I would encourage you to do so as well. Let us know what's working, what's not working, if you run into any problems, if you think anything could be further tweaked or refined. Love to hear your feedback. Best place for that, in the comments section below, or you can reach me on Twitter. I'm at DigiByte. Consider leaving a like and subscribe to this video. We're going to keep it nice and brief today, just about iOS. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.